Hey guys, it's Brittany, and today I have another wig review from myfirstwigs.com. If you are interested, please stay tuned. So if you've never watched a review on myfirstwigs.com, they are a company that caters to beginners when it comes to wigs. So in their boxes, it comes with everything you need to make your application process a lot easier. The wig itself comes in this nice black sleek case here, and the wig comes in a pink container. This time they sent me some Flyaway Tamer, which comes in kind of like a tiny deodorant kind of container, and you just roll it over the top of your flyaways and it lays those down. So in your pouch, this striped pouch, it comes with different items to make your application process easier. So it comes with bobby pins, it comes with a rat tail comb, and it also comes with 2 clips and an instructions manual. And it also comes with elastic just in case you want to sew it inside your wig. And here is the wig itself. It comes with a very pretty ombre color, soft lace. The parting space looks very good. Comes with 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, as well as adjustable straps. And you also get lace around the back just in case you want to pin the wig up. And I have on a like a flesh tone stocking cap at the moment, but when I looked at the parting space, it was too obvious. So I did have to switch my cap to a black one, and it worked out a lot better than the light colored wig cap. So I'm just trying it on again, and then I went off camera and cut the lace. So the parting space looks good already. If you wanted to, like, I don't know, go in and maybe tweeze the part, you could, but it's really not necessary because it looks good already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Got To Be Glued, and I'm just going to put 1 or 2 layers just at the parting space. I don't go all around the perimeter with this particular style of wig just because the sides are going to be down, and I'm just going to focus on making sure the parting space is flat. So I'm taking the end of a rat tail comb, and I'm just going to be pressing that down into the Got To Be Glued, and taking the comb and just kind of adding a little bit of baby hairs where the parting space starts. And this application was very easy, and I have worked with this company before with a very similar wig, and I gave the other wig that I did from this company to my mom, and she wore it to my bridal shower and my wedding. So I do feel like this is a very good company to invest in if you're looking for a high quality human hair wig that makes it easy to apply. So what I did with my parting space to make it look more natural was I took some pressed powder that I used for my face, and I just put it in my parting space. And I'm just gonna go in with my flat iron and just go throughout the whole head. Now I feel like I got a little bit of puckering like at the back of the wig, but I think the cap might be really big, but you can always customize like what size cap that you get for your wig. So I'm going to take this Flyaway Tamer that they sent in the box, and I'm just going to put that all across the top of the wig, just to put down all of the flyaways that I might have. And as you can see, it does create like a film on the top of the wig, but as soon as you comb through it, that film kind of dissolves into the hair and it's not obvious anymore. And I think this is a very good product to use because if you've used any human hair wigs or tried any human hair wigs, a lot of them tend to have flyaways, so you don't have to just use it on this particular wig. You can use it on any of your wigs that have flyaways, and I think that's a really good product to use. So if you are interested in that product, I'll have that in the description box as well. This is the final look. I do think this is a very pretty kind of everyday style, but obviously you can wear it on any occasion. And I think this is a beautiful color. So if you guys are interested in this wig, I'll leave links in the description box for you guys. I want to thank My First Wigs for sending me this wig, and I want to thank you guys so much for all your support. And I will see you guys in the next video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Turn on your notifications because I am coming with more and more videos for you guys in 2018. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
You bring me comfort.